This hairstyle is a lot of fun. It's an asymmetric hairstyle that I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron crown lift hair pad. Now this hair pad is fantastic because this is what all of the hair grips are going to get attached to, and it makes styling the hair so much more fun because you don't have to worry about where to put the hair grips. When I'm gripping this hairstyle, I don't even open my hair grips. I just push the hair grips straight in to the hair pad itself. And you can see I'm just doing a very simple 2-strand braid. And it's nice and loose so that I can open it up and break it up. There we go. There's that side done. Now let's just go to the front, and I'm just going to add a beautiful braid on the top. Now for the full tutorial of this and nice close-up views, just go to my Access Long Hair Members Club and make sure you check out my Patrick Cameron Bridal section. Look at that now with a hair accessory, a little bit of a side braid. This would be beautiful for a bridal look.